Hi, my name is Rafal Burchard and you are watching Free Your Mind Therapy channel. In this channel I'm going to show you how to free your mind and how to make the best use of your mind and body. Today we're going to talk how to deal with stress. If you're asking yourself a question, how can I deal with and manage stress better, you need to watch this video. What exactly is stress? Stress is effectively brain's survival mechanism. The nervous system releases cortisol and adrenaline. Although our ancestors benefited from this survival mechanism, stress is a big problem in modern life, affecting both physical and mental health. And now we know what stress is. How do we combat it? I'm going to give you my tips how to deal with stress. 1. Burn stress away. High intensity intervals are ideal to de-stress the body in a positive way. Additionally, you're going to burn all the hormones away. This is not only replaces how hunter-gatherers would move in the past, but as well is using up all the hormones so they don't negatively affect your body and mind. 2. Cool them down. Relaxation techniques are another fantastic way to persuade our body that we're no longer in challenging situation. Yoga is great as well, as breathing techniques connected with static muscular tension gives great quick results. 3. Mind projection. Think of a location, memory or situation where you were feeling relaxed. Close your eyes and project yourself to the situation, place or location and you will reap benefits. If you can, find a quiet, comfortable place for 5-10 minutes a day would be ideal. And 4. Maintain balance. Your daily routine will help you to keep balance and keep the stress at bay. We have covered balance and how to achieve it in my previous episode, how to be fit and healthy. I recommend you to watch them as well. During my next episode I'm going to talk how to deal with anxiety. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe to this video below. My name is Rafal Burchard and you are watching Free Your Mind Therapy channel. See you next time.